As soon as I opened the box, I knew I was going to love this knife set. It feels like something that you would find in a chef's kitchen. The stark contrast of the stainless steel with that beautiful dark wood stain in the block. Chef's kiss. No pun intended. Okay, maybe there was a slight pun intended. There are other options for the wood block if you don't love the dark stain color. The packaging is even high-end, so these would be great as a gift. The block is packaged separately from the knives, so this larger square box is the actual block, and it is wrapped in bubble wrap. The knives are packaged separately, and each one is in a protective sheath because they are extremely sharp. This set also comes with a pair of really, really nice kitchen shears. It also comes with a booklet to tell you what type of knives are in this set and how to sharpen them. In addition to the cardboard sheath, there's also a piece of wax on the tips of the knives. You'll want to remove that before you use them. And you'll also want to wash these before you use them. I really love that these are one solid piece of steel versus, plastic and steel. I just feel like they're going to last much longer. I don't know about you, but I have had some really not great knives in my life. And a lot of times if they have two separate pieces, the handles will just fall off. You're definitely not going to have that problem with these. Yeah. In order to keep the shavings from the knife, if there are any when you're sharpening it on the tool, it is magnetic. You can see it grabbing and pulling this knife here. If you're looking for a new knife set for yourself or for a gift, I would not hesitate to recommend these. They are absolutely beautiful and sturdy and well made and just impressive all the way around.